What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Jonathan. If you guys are brand new here, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and subscribe. Let me know what's your biggest question when it comes to starting your coaching or consulting business. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and talk to you guys about how to start your coaching and consulting business. And the reason why I'm going to go ahead and create this video today is because I want to go ahead and give you guys the foundational things that you need in order to actually start your business. So many people start this wrong. They say, okay, well, I want to help these people, or I want to do this. How do I get clients? They skip the whole foundation building process. And that's the core thing for your whole business. If you don't have your strong foundation, guess what's going to happen? It's going to fall apart. You're not going to be able to get clients. And then you're going to come back a few months later wondering, okay, why can't I get clients? Oh, maybe it's Instagram. Maybe Instagram doesn't work for my business. Or maybe TikTok doesn't work for my business. And maybe Facebook groups doesn't work for a business. But it's none of that. It's because you don't have your core foundations in place. And that is one of the reasons, and that's probably the reason why you're not getting the amount of clients that you want and you're not getting the results that you want for your coaching business. So that's exactly what I want to go ahead and talk to you guys about today. So let's go ahead and get started. So there are 3 questions that you need to go ahead and answer in order to go ahead and make this work. If you understand these 3 things, everything else will fall into place because you'll be able to know exactly who you're talking to, what you actually provide them, and how can you actually provide those results. So the first thing is, who do you speaking to? Who is your ideal client? You need to understand who you're speaking to, their demographics, how old are they, what do they look like? Are they white? Are they black? Are they Hispanic? What are they? What religion they are? What political views they are? The more deep you know your ideal client, the better you're going to be able to create content that speaks directly to them. If you're not creating content that speaks directly to your ideal client, guess what's going to happen? Nobody's going to pay attention to you. And the reason why nobody will pay attention to you is because you're not talking to anybody. When you try to talk to everybody, guess what happens? You end up talking to nobody. So you need to understand who your ideal client is, like the back of your hand. So here are some things that you need to go ahead and answer about your ideal client. First, how old? Right? So how old are they? What ethnicity? Because as you know, everybody's culture is different. So the way you speak to a Latin mom is completely different than the way you speak to somebody else. Why? Because the culture is different. So you want to go ahead and understand that. So what is their ethnicity, right? You really want to go ahead and ask yourself that question. Now, another thing is, what is their marital status? Are they married? Are they single? Right? You want to go ahead and know this because, again, you talk to married people differently than you talk to single people. Another question that you want to go ahead and ask is like, do they have kids? Right? Are you working with people that have kids? Maybe they're new moms. As you know, you talk completely different to new moms than to a single person that hasn't even thought about having kids, right? They're completely different pain points. They are in a completely stage of their life. So that's going to be different. The pain points and the challenges and the excuses that they tell themselves are going to be completely different than a person that has kids and is married than a person that doesn't have kids and is completely single. Now, another thing you want to go ahead and know about your ideal client is what excuses are they telling themselves? What challenges are they facing? What problems are they facing currently? What desires do they have? What pain points do they have in their life? What is it that's stopping them from achieving that end result that they truly desire? Those are 4 questions that you want to go ahead and ask yourself. Excuses, what challenges, pain points. Now, the next one is, what result is it that you provide? What result is your ideal client hiring you to have? Because at the end of the day, your ideal client is hiring you for one reason, and then that's to get a result. Your ideal client is coming to you because you said that you can go ahead and fix their problems. So that's why they're coming to you. So now you have to go ahead and solve that problem. But if you don't know what problem you're solving, it's going to be extremely hard for you to actually solve that problem and actually portray that in your content and say that you actually solved that problem if you don't know what problem you solve. So you want to go ahead and ask yourself, okay, your ideal client is at point A and they want to go ahead and get to point B, right? They're right here and they want to get to point B. How do you actually help them get here? What is this result that they actually want? Do they want to lose 20 pounds? Do they want to go ahead and lose 50 pounds? Do they want to go ahead and be more fit? Do they want to go ahead and get married, or they want to find a wife, or maybe they want to get over their wife, or maybe they want to go ahead and build a business? What is it that you actually can provide to your ideal client? And you want to go ahead and have this clear, because at the end of the day, this is why they're hiring you. They're not hiring you to talk to you. Nobody really cares about your time. And you want to go ahead and have that clear. Nobody really cares about your time or what you even do. The only thing that they care about is the result that you can provide for them. So they're coming to you with a problem, hoping that you have a solution. So what is the first thing you have to understand is what result it is that they want. So then number 3, you can ask yourself, okay, how can I provide that result? What can I build, or what step-by-step process can I build to go ahead and give them this result? Maybe it's a step-by-step process on how to lose weight. So the first thing that they have to do is cut off fats, or right, or maybe they have to start working out. Maybe they have to be in a calorie deficit. Maybe they have to do cardio 3 times a week. I don't know. You guys are the experts. I'm just letting you guys know what are the step-by-step process, and you want to really list this out. What are the step-by-step process that your ideal client needs to go through in order to achieve this result that they desire? If you're able to figure that out and you're able to put that together into a program, now you can go ahead and sell the results, right? You sell the results because now you have a proven process that actually will get them that result. Now, the proven process could be delivered as an online course program. It could be as an online coaching program, one-on-one, in person, however you want. Ideally, you want to keep it online, but now you have a step-by-step process that you created that you can go ahead and then sell to your ideal client. So the way this actually works is like your ideal client wants to be here, they're right here, right? And there's a big mountain right here in the middle, right? But there's grass and sharks and whatever, I don't know, there's a lake. You are building the bridge to helping them get here. This is where they want to be, this is where they are, and you're building this bridge that helps them get there. Your bridge is your system. This is your unique system that you're building. This system is what you sell so they can go ahead and get to this end result. This system is what they buy. You sell the result, they buy the system so they can get to their result. And obviously, if you're guiding them through the process as a coach or as a consultant, that is exactly what you want to be. You want to be the guide in the process so they don't, because you know they're going to have hiccups and they're going to have problems along the way. So that's why you as the coach will continue guiding them along the journey so they can actually make it to their end results. Guys, I hope you guys found this valuable. If you guys did, go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. Another thing, if you guys want more help, if you guys want help just like this, and actually me going through your whole business and giving you guys a detailed plan on how you guys can go ahead and get to your end result, to your end goal, go ahead and book a call down below. I would love to talk to you guys on a one-to-one basis and see where you guys are and see where you guys want to be in the next 90 days and see how we can help you get there. So guys, thank you so much for your time, and I'll talk to you guys later.